Oh, hey guys, what's up? These are the groceries that JediJoy went and got today. She's gone for about 45 minutes. And she said it was so hot. She said it was so hot that she had to come back in.
Northbound off ramp. Utah Frank 26, 1 Henry Victor. Utah Frank 26, 1
It's like
Henry
114
Victor.
degrees out there.
Light to grow.
And that's on the ground. Vegas is a place you come to relax. It's a pool for a few minutes. You don't come here in the summertime to work for 8 hours out in the sun. 225 feet in the air. I thought it was 400. Someone said it was 225. Whatever. I'm telling you, 30 feet in the air off the ground is very hot. As well. Because Las Vegas sits at 2,000 feet above sea level. So 114 degrees at 2,000 feet is so hot. Intense. I mean, that's why there are things that just spontaneously combust. I hear all day long, fire after fire. So these workers are out there in the direct heat, absorbing the heat. On iron, is it 400 feet in the air exposed? We don't have any projects like that here. We've never had a project like that. We've never had to build a glass roof like that before. Now, JediJoy, she's been harassed and called a lot of names. But today, Nick Ackers, guess what? It's your lucky day. You are off the hook. And I'll tell you why. Because JediJoy, using her U.S. Air Force skills, and just her general, just whatever, just kind of moseys around like doesn't know what she's doing. She really acts like she's like no, oh excuse me, you know. And then the lady comes up from security and says, "Hey, are you guys from the Review Journal or anything like that?" And she's like, "Oh gosh, no."
With her when she was on the phone with you.
85 Nevada.
It's for the 88 Frank 85.
Anyways,
Nevada.
you guys can watch the video later. I'm gonna upload this.
Thank you.